and welcome back to the next video in my Fathead Dough series. This time I'm just going to make some little rolls. I might even make them bagel shaped. Then what I'm going to do once they're cooked, I'm just going to lightly toast them, and I'm going to put like a bruschetta style mixture on the top, which I'm going to show you how to make. So these would be my Fathead Dough sort of bruschetta rolls. What we need to do is we need to take the second half of the Fathead dough that I made earlier, just knead it a little bit. It's nice and cool, very essential that you cool it down before you start working with it. If you've watched the Fathead dough recipe, you'll see that how when I first made it, it's stuck to the counter. Now when I roll it around, it's not sticking quite so much, so that is good because I want to make a roll shape. So let's just roll it around a bit and flatten it so it's bun shaped. Okay, I just need something to get that off the counter. Yes, there we go. So I've got this one like that, which hopefully will puff up a little bit, and then I can cut it in half and toast it. And this one I'll show you a bagel shape. So let's just, you could put seeds on it if you wanted to. Okay, I've got some sesame seeds. I've got some, let's just pop them like that. Just a sprinkle. I will have a sprinkle of the black sesame seeds as well, just for a little bit of colour, but you can use whatever seeds you like. So let's just roll that around in there. As you can see, that was really tricky. And then I'm just going to make it into a bagel shape. Now obviously this is not a bagel in the truest sense of the word, because bagels are boiled before they're baked. These are not. I'm not sure how this would work if it was boiled. I've never tried it, but I'm just making basically the shape. So that is going to go in the oven, and while that is in the oven baking, I am going to make a bruschetta style mixture to go over the top. So let me just put these in the oven, and then we can crack on with that. Okay, let's just bring my chopping board over. Got a bowl. Now I'm going to start by putting a little bit of olive oil into my bowl. We cannot see my bowl here, so let's just move my bowl into view. There we go. Just a drizzle. I can't say that's more than about a teaspoon. I'm going to take a clove of garlic, and I'm just going to press that garlic into the olive oil. There we go. I'll put a little bit of salt, and a grind of pepper. And I'm just going to get a spoon and just mix that in. I want the oil to take up the flavour of the garlic. Just going to add a tiny weeny bit more oil. Smells amazing already. Now I'll just show you that. So it's just the, can you see? Just the oil and the garlic and a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, now to that we'll add some tomatoes. I thought some yellow ones would add a nice bit of colour. Just going to chop these up. go. I've got some nice, one of these and one of these. Let me just wash these quickly. I've already washed the yellow ones, but haven't washed these. So these are Sunstream tomatoes, sometimes Sundream they call them. Nice and sweet anyway. And then this is just an ordinary vine ripened tomatoes. And of course, when my tomatoes have grown in the summer, this is going to be even nicer when I've got my own homegrown picked tomatoes. I'm growing garlic and basil, so I'll be able to do this completely from the garden, which will be amazing. Right, in that goes a little bit of basil. I love basil. The smell of it is delicious. In that goes. I'd like a little bit more basil in there, I think. Let's just take a look for more of these leaves. Right, so as you can see there, that is just really delicious smelling tomato, basil and garlic that is going to go on top of my rolls when they're done. So once my fathead dough rolls come out of the oven, I will show you how to finish it off and to create quite a nice snack that you can have at any time. Alright, see you soon. So my rolls are now out of the oven. Here they are, looking lovely. I'm just going to, I've sliced them, so I'm now going to put them under the grill just to toast the inside as well, and then I can assemble the bruschetta. Okay, so they're now out from underneath the grill, and I'm going to just, you can't really see that, but that has got a crispy top. So all I need to do now is just to put some of my tomato mixture on the top. Save that for the other one. And what we have is a delicious bruschetta style snack made with the fathead dough rolls. There we go. Absolutely delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the things that I've made with the fathead dough, and you're up for giving it a go. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up, all those things that you have to do on YouTube, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Alright, you take care. Bye.